Guys and gals, I got a little before action here of my 5-star client, Amanda. She is so amazing. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a second. Right now, we are balayaging her in a diamond effect to create ridges with Oligo Pro and Olaplex. Now, I'm using the black light with a little bit of the cool tone in there. And as you can see, when I swipe my board, I go corner to corner so I don't create lines. And I am just painting the surface. I am not penetrating through the hair. It is just sitting on the top. And I'll use my finger and smooth it out. And I know a lot of people are worried about me burning my fingers. Don't worry, guys. I have a wet towel right next to me. I stop. I wipe my hands all the time between every section so I don't get any burns. So as you can see, it's very, very soft towards the scalp because this is a sun-kissed look. This is not an extreme look. This is something that's very soft. It's going to have dimension, big, big sections. The bigger the section, the more dimension. As you can see, I'm feathering it up because she does not like it to be like harsh at the scalp. She wants beautiful blended lines. She wants it to look like Jesus himself came down and kissed her hair is her exact explanation, which I think is hysterical. Anyway, so we're going in and just softly painting some really beautiful face framing techniques. And you can see right here, I goofed up. So using another brush as an eraser is an awesome thing that happens with balayage. Now, she is not a big, like, give me that freaking huge money piece. She likes it soft. Again, Jesus came down and kissed her head. So we are going to do it very softly. We are not going crazy on that money piece. Just, I mean, obviously I need to still paint the front, but we're not going for like some huge money piece. Now here I'm creating dark behind the light and leaving a big section at the top, as you can see up there, and just letting that dark sit behind that light because dark hair makes light hair pop. So we're just leaving a nice teardrop shape in the top of the head because, again, Jesus. So we're just going to blend that through. I did do a soft color melt and toner on her with Oligo Colora Gloss. And here is the final result. And it is absolutely stunning, dimensional, beautiful. She loved it. I loved it. She's a great client. She comes in every 6 weeks for her toner refresh and an Olaplex treatment. And that's why her hair looks freaking amazing. See you guys later.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.